Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at one of the most advanced multi-channel dashcams currently available for drivers who want premium recording quality, full vehicle coverage, and top-tier night performance. The Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dashcam. This is a serious upgrade for commuters, rideshare drivers, family vehicles, and anyone who wants reliable evidence and security on the road. The biggest highlight here is the triple-channel recording system powered by Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution, while the interior and rear cameras provide additional high-quality coverage at 1080p and 2.5K resolution. This combination gives you complete visibility in front of the car, inside the cabin, and behind the vehicle simultaneously. Video quality is where the N4 Pro S really shines. During daytime driving, footage appears incredibly sharp with strong detail and wide-angle visibility. License plates, road signs, lane markings, and surrounding traffic remain clear even at higher speeds, but the real advantage comes at night thanks to the Triple STARVIS 2 sensors and door processing. Night driving can be difficult for many dashcams because of glare from headlights, poor street lighting, and image noise. The N4 Pro S handles these situations impressively well with door night vision technology. Bright lights are balanced more effectively, darker road areas stay visible, and the interior infrared camera helps capture cabin footage clearly even in total darkness. This makes it especially valuable for rideshare drivers or anyone transporting passengers frequently. Another premium feature is the 24/7 buffered parking mode. Unlike basic parking systems that only start recording after impact, buffered parking recording can capture footage before and after detected motion or incidents. That extra context can be extremely important during parking lot accidents, vandalism, or hit-and-run situations. With proper hardwire installation, the camera continuously monitors your vehicle even when parked. The built-in GPS functionality records speed and route information alongside your footage, which can be useful for insurance claims or reviewing driving history. Wi-Fi support also makes transferring clips much easier through the mobile app, allowing you to review and save important recordings directly to your smartphone without removing the CD card. Storage support is another major advantage. The N4 Pro S supports memory cards up to 1 TB, giving you significantly more recording capacity compared to many standard dashcams. This is especially important for triple-channel recording where higher video quality requires more storage space. You also get loop recording, emergency collision lock protection through the G sensor, voice alerts, wide-angle coverage, and strong build quality that feels durable and premium inside the vehicle. The overall system feels designed for long-term reliability and professional-level vehicle protection. If you want one of the best 3-channel dashcams available with exceptional night vision, advanced parking security, and full interior recording capability, the Vantrue N4 Pro S is easily one of the strongest options in its category. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below to grab yours on Amazon.